Hi everyone, welcome back to the Khan Trader channel. Today I'm telling about a trick for OTC market. It's a trick, it's not a strategy, and it's not work on a normal market. It's just only work. It's only work for OTC markets. Okay, guys. So it's a simple trick. So I am using the indicator of Bollinger Band. Okay, and second indicator I'm using for stochastic oscillator. Okay, the setting of the Bollinger Band, I am the period use 5 to 6, and deviation is 1.1, and the style is this trick has only need two lines, not the middle lines, not required. So I uncheck. Okay, and there is the 2 px, and the color you as you want you use, and background color I am changing to the blue, and capacity is low. Okay, the stochastic oscillator settings are also is to 6. Okay, and it's only thickness I am using for the 2px. Okay, the setting is only just its work. The trick is the simple trick. Okay, when the candle, green candle or red candle, closes the above or the lower of the cross and close to the above line, so the next candle it should be red, and the market stochastic oscillator showing to the overbought condition. So they we will take the trade for low for 1M. Okay, guys. So I am giving you some examples. So I am choosing a highest pairs. So now I am giving some examples, finding a good moment. I took the trade here above for 1M because the here is a huge down, and stochastic is in our sold condition, and there is the resistance, some resistance here, and the candle should be close the lower of the lower line of Bollinger Band, cross the candle and close the away from the line, should be away from the line, then took the trade because there is a 1M reversal here. So that's why I took the trade here for above for 1M. So let's see the result. Okay, guys, we win here for 1M. This is the trick. It's a simple trick, and it's giving you some wins. Don't go for over trading. Okay, guys, don't go for over trading. Okay, now I am moving using the 2 USD for the next trade. Let's find the good moment. I took the trade here above 1M because the stochastic oscillator is in oversold condition, and the red candle, it's the close the uh, away from the Bollinger Band's lower line, and that's why I took the trade here above, because it should be a reversal from here. Let's see the result. Okay, it's a loose here, so I double my amount, and taking the next. This red candle is a huge red candle, so the next candle should be green, and this stochastic oscillator is in oversold condition, and there is this some support here, and the red candle is uh, away from the lower line of the Bollinger Band, and it's close the cross the line and close uh, away from the lower, and that's will I took the trade here for above. So let's see the result. So here is the win here. Okay, it's just a trick, and you should take the some, not go for the more trades, so it when it's give you a one loss, you close the trade. Okay guys, and my advice is only just take the 3 or 4 5 trades just on OTC market. So let's find the another good moment for the trade, and I double my amount now. I took the trade here for lower for 1 minute because there is the resistance line, and the and it's this is the resistance line here, and the green candle it's crossing the above line, and it's just experience trade, so don't go without your experience, taking experience. Okay guys, I know there is the resistance line, so it should be next is the red candles, so that's why I took the trade here for lower for 1 minute. So let's see the result. See the result. This is the win, huge win. Okay, let's find the another moment, and I double my amount. This is the huge green candle and close the above of the Bollinger Bands above line, so that's why I took the trade here for lower, and the stochastic is in over bought condition, and this is the downtrend, so that's why I took the trade here for lower. Let's see the result. good here and I won here, so let's I double my amount, not double but increase $10 in my trade amount. I took the trade here above for 1M because it's make a huge red, and there is the some support here, so let's see the result, what will happen, lose or winning comes here. Let's see. See the result here, and huge winning. So I take the start the $18 to the 77 USD, so it's enough for today. uh, uh, I will I have another strategy. I will make on video on the on next video. So subscribe my channel, and thank you.